Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Welcome you to your online science class. So many preparatory students I can see now. Okay. Students are also ready with me. Now I can see this. Okay. So from today we will practice. So before we have already learned plants around us, parts of plant, flowers, fruits, vegetables, etc. lesson. Okay. So we practice all these things, but that means leaves also there, seeds also there, thereafter animals or parts of animals, all we again practice all of these, because many days ago we had learned. So we will practice all these things again. That is the way that we learn everything very well. Is it? Is it? So today we will practice something old but something new way. So you have already learned that picture composition in English. Today I'll hear just with a picture. Now you can see the picture. Okay, everybody, okay. The homework. Yes, at the last of the class, I'll see your homework. Okay, okay. At last of the class, just I'll give you some minutes. You will show me that time your homework. Okay, I'll remember that one. At first, today, all you will look the board clearly and carefully. Okay, all the students, look at the board very carefully. I am just leaving from here. So you can see the board. Here we can see many things here. Here we can see many things. There is a picture of a park or a place. You can see. There are some things here. In nature we can see so many plants, trees and pond, water, so many things are there. Okay, so here we can also see some flowers are also there, so many things. So we identify, not only identify, we already know all these spellings now. So now our turn, that means especially your turn, that you will tell me the spellings of all these things. When I will put my finger where, you will look carefully. যেখানে আমি আমার ফিঙ্গারটা পুট করব, you will look carefully and tell me the spellings of that. Okay, this is your class work today. At first, this is totally oral class now. Okay, so now I'll on that chat box. Okay, now it is here with me. Okay, now I'll put my finger where you will look at first. Thereafter you will write down the answer in chat box by your own finger. Okay, so first of all, what is this? See the picture. What is this? See the picture. What is this? Write down the answer in the chat box. What is this? What is this? One by one you will write down the answer using your finger and write down the spellings. What is this? Yes, you see, it is big. Big what? It is big what? Tree. Yes. So write down in proper way. It is You can see what is this? It is, yes, okay, yes. Okay, yes, okay, very good. It is a big tree. Everybody are right. Very good. All of you are there. Miganko, Nibedita, Shrestha, Shanchayan, Abhradeep also they are present today. Okay. Devansh, Bintika, Shutanvi. Okay. It is big tree. Okay, very good. All you are correct now. So it is a big tree. Now, I'll show you this picture. What is this? What is this? Name of this tree. Write down the name of this tree. Write down the name of this tree. Yes. Sound is not clear. Devans, you will just do one thing. Everybody, I have a request to everybody, kindly mute your audio and switch off your video, otherwise you can't hear me and see me. Okay? Devans, now it is clear? Okay. It is coconut tree. Everybody will mute your audio. That means your sound, otherwise you can't hear me properly. So what is this? This is yes, this is coconut tree. Very good. Everybody are giving me the correct answer. Oh wow. Coconut tree. Now already we know this is a tree. Now see what is the name of this fruit. I'll just do this just for you. What is the name of this fruit or this tree? Now you can understand. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Take your time, then you will write down all the answers, okay? No, you learned the all spellings. You have learned, I know that. So, you will take your time, then you will write down the spellings. I have no problem. You will take your own time. So, this is mango tree. Yes, this is mango tree. Everybody are giving me the correct answers here. Okay, very good. Okay, Shanchan, Mriganko, Asma, Abhradeep, Devansh, Ishan, Nibedita, Brintika, Sutanvi. Everybody are Shrestha also. Everybody are here. Okay. Now, okay, yes, Asma also you are correct. Take your time, write down the spellings thereafter. Okay, Shrestha, very good. Now, you will tell me, this is, what is this? This is a plant or tree? This is a plant or tree? Now, see the board carefully. This is a plant or tree? And write down the name. This is plant or tree? Just you will write down. Plant spelling or tree spelling? What will be the correct answer here? Yes. Now it is your okay. Now. Okay. Yes, it is plant. Okay. It is plant. Okay. Nibedita is already giving me the correct answer. Shanchan also here. Okay, Rose, you can understand everything. Wow, very good. Shrestha. Shrestha, this is. Shrestha, this is. At first you will Shrestha, look at this. This is. This is. Devansh, Abhradeep, okay. Mriganko, okay. Brintika is typing now. Ishan, you are also here. You will also write down the answer, beta. Mriganko also there. Okay, small plant. Very good. Brintika also small plant. Very good. Now, yes. Now, what is this? These are, okay. Now see the picture. What is this? Yes, those who are telling the answer, write down also here, okay? Wow, very good. Just I'll give the clap for you. All you are correct most of the time. Very good. Now all of you are correct. Mriganko, Shanchan, Nivedita given me the answer. You will take your time. Then one by one you will write down the correct spelling. Okay? No need to do the hurry. খুব তাড়াতাড়ি করার কোনো দরকার নেই. You will take your own time. Then you will give me the answer. Okay? So, Shrestha, yes, grass. Okay. Oh yes, Devans, it is also small plant. Very good. It is also small plant. Yes, Sutanvi also correct. It is grass or it is small plant. What you will tell? Okay, grass. Okay. Already you have given the correct answer. Now, this is, you can see the picture. What is this? Shanchan, look at here. Shanchan, look at here. What is this? Everybody will see the picture. What is this? Yes. This is lotus. Okay. Yes, lotus. Mriganko, Abhradeep. Okay. Devansh. Very good. Brintika. Okay. Water plant. Brintika also given water plant. Brintika, you will also write down the name of this plant. Okay, Brintika, Nivedita, okay, Ishan, very good. Brintika, you will also write down the name of this plant. Abhradeep, yes, Brintika, now you are correct. Yes, Abhradeep also write down the correct answer now. Okay, Asma is also there. Okay, Shutanvi there. Okay, Shrestha there. Okay. So, lotus. Now, we can see, Devans also there. Okay. Now, we can see so many students, those almost every students give me the correct answer here. So, I can see here a big tree, that is mango tree. Here we can see coconut tree, thereafter rose plant or small plant, grass, in water we can see lotus with leaves. Okay. So, this was our today's picture. So, we have already given the correct answer. Now, that is the today's work it was, and you will show me now your book work. Now, your octopus work, those who have completed. Okay, octopus, okay. Okay, okay. Oh, Bitika also there. Okay, Bitika. Octopus work you will show me. After that, everybody, very good. Now clap for you just. Wow, I am just impressed. Now, okay, very good. So, today's work up to this much. Very good. So, next day again we will meet. Till now, tata for today. Wow, very good. Everybody are very good. Tata.